Shitty boys, me and Stan just fucked up AT&T. Splash, we just made 3 peaks. Send the spirit to the air like a B&B. And if they hit right, I'll put her in some bitch saw me one time and was eyeball. Fuck a DC. Do I like John Wall? Fucking one shit that's beyond yours.
Oh my god!
I fucking watch. You slut. Okay. Where? Oh, a minute.
Oh my god!
Goated on sex, think I'm finna punch another shark. Swear to God, what I've been through and make your stomach.
Give me back in there, going.
Jesus. But you broke and you dirty. Get your chick up. I Luke Kane that bitch out the whip. Pick your bitch up. Big chop.
In the like void chest, and I still had plenty of HP. Oh.
You cannot be equal with it. I took that L, picked it up and turned it to a dub. I made a plan, put in work and turned into the plug. I got bitches in the mall asking for a hug. I'ma punch you dead in your shit asking for a slug. Told Dukes I'm a pop, can't you see my? Been the winning side, boy, fuck a team hop. Please stop, I touch chicken like a wing stop. Bro, an Angry Bird, he get busy with that slingshot. Baby trying, bitch, I'm about to blow. She was just on my dick, now it's down her throat. Do the bear crawl if it's cheese on the floor. I ain't falling off unless I see a bag down below. But if it's in the air, I'ma jump up. Who, bro? Boy, you sound like a dumb fuck. Ain't no uppercuts when I say I'm about to punch up. Had a better season than Giannis, got my butts up.
You just gotta risk a range.